ChocoVision Mini Rev Chocolate Tempering Machine. Like the 5 Series and the Delta, this ChocoVision chocolate tempering machine has all the working pieces and intuition of its more illustrious counterparts. Serious chocolate lovers will find this pint-sized machine a great addition to their home cooking and baking appliance collection. Smaller in size and dimension, but packed with great features, the Mini is fully automatic. Forced hot air tempers up to 1.5 pounds of chocolate to perfection in as little as 25 minutes. A scaled-down digital control system has easy-to-follow instructions written on the top of the tempering machine and actually prompts you with a flashing red light, indicating the perfect time to add the chunks and chips of chocolate to begin the melting cycle. The affordable ChocoVision Mini Rev chocolate tempering machine weighs just over 7 pounds and measures 12.5 by 10.5 by 5.2 inches, a standard 110 volt, but ChocoVision recommends not plugging the Mini into 220 or 240 to avoid shorting out the machine. The Mini comes with a full 1-year warranty but only covers some parts. Compact tempering abilities housed in an attractive plastic lacquered ivory color with a shiny stainless steel removable bowl and baffle. It's a combination of professional and chic at the same time. You'll definitely want to leave it out on the counter. Here's the pros. Works as hard as its larger ChocoVision counterparts. Rapid melting within 25 minutes. And tempering instructions listed on the machine. Now for a few cons. The plastic housing can crack. It has limited temperature control, and not all parts are covered under warranty.